What's up, YouTube? All right, so this has been done 3 weeks ago. I wasn't able to record this right here because there was a lot of movement that day, and they had a lot of people moving in the last 2 weeks. So here we are, literally 3 weeks later, and I'm here. I'm gonna do this right here, and then the janitor's closet. So here's how the floor looks right now. And here's the floor from the other job I did. The last time I was here. So it's held up pretty good. As long as they keep cleaning it. When it's dirty, it should last. All right, let's get this show on the road. Stand by, guys. All right, guys, so here's the janitor's closet I was talking about. Got a lot of soap in here on the floor, the low foam residue stuff they got. A lot of discoloration, a lot of rust stains. What I could do is put some bleach down on the rust stains. I was talking to the property manager right now, and he just wants this done. He's not even worried about the rust. I told him I can attempt it, but he just wants it clean, sealed and waxed, and whatever we do from this point on is going to be an improvement. So here's the floor. Some gum over there, I gotta scrape that up. On my second go. Right now, my main concern is just getting this top layer scrub. I want to vacuum this after, put down some more stripper, groove up the corners a little better. I'm gonna try to get that gum up. This thing. And it's so hard to record and have this one-handed. So when there's no pressure on the right side, this thing goes off. So the safety switch, safety feature. All right, guys, I'm going to finish this first scrub, and then I'll start recording again. Stand by, guys. All right, guys, I'm scrubbing this a second time. I went back and hit the corners hard with my doodle bug. Scrape that. Thought it was gum. It was actually an adhesive tape on the floor. All right, guys, let me finish this up and I'll stop recording again. Stand by. All right, so we're done with that other side right there. Now we got this janitor's closet. Threw down some stripper. right, guys, so I put 5 coats actually on here. All right, guys, so I put everything back. Well, I didn't, my father did. Put everything back in this room. And we're all set with these floors. Took a couple of weeks due to no fault of my own, but it does happen. People are moving in. But here's the end result. All right, guys, so that concludes today's video and the end of this series for this floor. And yeah, keep a lookout for my other videos coming soon. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys next one. All right, peace.